Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
PowerPoint provides you with several proofing features, including the spelling and grammar tool that can help you produce professional, error-free presentations. Now, to run a spell check, go to the Review tab, then click the Spelling command. And the spelling pin will appear on the right. This is the spelling pin. For each error in your presentation, PowerPoint will try to offer one or more suggestions. Now you can select a suggestion and click Change to correct the error. So this is the first error I have. Click on a suggestion, then click Change. Now PowerPoint will move through each error until you have reviewed them all. Now after the last error has been reviewed, a dialog box will appear confirming that the spelling check is complete. So click OK. So this is the next error I have. Click Change, and it will go on and on. Click Change again. Now PowerPoint is not always correct. It may sometimes think a word is spelled incorrectly when it's not, and this often happens when people's name and proper nouns which may not be in the dictionary. As you can see, this is the name of a person, but it's appearing as an error. Now you can choose not to change it using one of these three options. So first we have Ignore. Now this will skip the word without changing it. Then we have Ignore All. Now this will skip the word without changing it, and it will also skip all other instances of the word in your presentation. Then we have Add. Now this adds the word in the dictionary, so it will never come up as an error again. But first make sure that the word is spelled correctly before choosing this option. So I'm going to select Ignore All, and I can move on to making other corrections. Now PowerPoint automatically checks your presentation for spelling errors, so you may not even necessarily need to run a separate check using the spelling command. Now these errors are indicated by a red wavy line like I have over here. Now to use the automatic spell check feature, just right click under the underlined word and a menu will appear. Now from here, click the correct spelling from the list of suggestions, and if you want to ignore the suggestion, you can select Ignore All or Add to Dictionary. So I'll select this and it will be rectified for me. Now PowerPoint allows you to modify the proofing options, giving you more control over how it reviews your text. Now to modify proofing options, click the File tab. To access the Backstage view, then select Options. Now a dialog box will appear. Select Proofing, then customize the options as needed, and when you finish, click OK. So you can select to check spelling as you type, hide spelling and grammar errors, check grammar with spelling. You can choose to modify whichever one of these you want to. Then once you're done, click OK, and the changes will be made. Now, modifying settings in PowerPoint options, including proofing, will affect any presentation you edit in PowerPoint and not just your current presentation.